Hello guys, today we are going to create a very simple tutorial in Android Studio. So the thing we are going to create today is that we are going to create a very simple toast message, just a toast message in Android Studio, how to echo message to a user. So let's create a new project in Android Studio. We're going to call it empty activity, call it simple toast message. Alright, so I'm using Java. I'll click on finish and allow it to build. So let's just wait for it to finish building. Alright, so let's go to our main activity.xml, activity main.xml. We're going to split it into design and code. So I want to use button. Let me just work on the UI a little. So I'm going to set it as linear layout. Alright, so let me create my button. We're going to call this button as toast message. So let's give it an ID so that we can call it. Alright, so let's go to the main activity. Let's create a variable for the button. So this button toast message is just button toast msg, just a variable. So we are going to use from the variable to reference our button by the ID from the main activity.xml. Let's confirm if it is btn toast. Alright, so it's correct. So let's work on the toast. Let's conclude. Let's just do what we're supposed to do. So we're supposed to set a toast message to this button. So we'll set a click listener to this button so that this button will be able to listen to a click. So when somebody click on this button, we want this button to give a toast message to the user. So we'll set a toast. If you just write toast and you see the extra, you just follow this step. You write capital letter TOST. So you see this Android or widget, you come down to this create a new toast and double click it. So they'll give you the complete line of code. Then here, let's pass our message. All right, so let's run our code, our program, and see what we have done. So what we did is that we create a button from the main activity. We just gave it a text so that it will be visible, toast message, and we'll give it an ID, btn toast. We now come to the main activity.java and create a variable for button, and reference it using the object of this button to reference it by the ID from the main activity. Then we set an on-click listener to it, and inside the on-click listener we set our toast message. So let's run our app and see what we have done. So you can see the toast message. You say toast.makeText this activity, main activity.this. Then the next thing is the toast message, then toast.lengthshort.show. This helps you to complete. This is how to create a simple toast in Android Studio. So let's wait for our emulator to come up. Just a moment. Alright, it will soon be installed. It do take time just according to the system. If your system is not that fast, you experience such. But if your system is fast, everything will be very fast. Remember that Android Studio is powerful and emulator is more powerful. So all these two things cause all this slowness, all this our app being slow. So let's click on the button and see. You can see this is a toast message. If you click on it, you see this is a toast message. Even if we decide to change the message, let's just imagine we are creating an application and want to toast message to the user that registration successful. This is how it's being created. So let's rerun our app. So you can see registration successful. So this is how toast message are being created. So you can, when creating toast message, you can create it in your callback function, that is in the response method. Alright, thank you for watching. Please subscribe for better contents than this. I'll see you next time.